Hello, myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our topic is surface area and volume. We already make part 1 about its formula. Now today we discuss in this part examples of cube, cuboids and one cone and cylinder. Now this is the find questions 1. Find surface area and volume of the cuboid whose dimensions are this. First of all, you should be decide which type of your figure or object is given. So you can write in this question here for you talking about which say cuboid. So first of all you should be write its figure. So here for cuboid its dimensions are length, breadth and height type form is given. So here for cuboid length is equal to 15 centimeter, breadth is equal to 10 centimeter and height is equal to 20 centimeter. After written given thing, you should be decide what you want to find here. You want to find surface area and volume. So you should be write its formula. So surface area of cuboid. First of all you mention what is the figure. So don't write again and again. You just mention their surface area. So surface area for cuboid is equal to 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So 2 times put corresponds value. Your length is 15, breadth is 10. Your breadth is 10, your height is 20. Height is 20, length is 15. So 2 times this is 150, 200, this is 300. Now add this all. So 0, 5, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 650. Now multiply this 0, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry forward, 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 30. 1300 surface area and this is in form of centimeter, so its unit is centimeter square. Now you want to find its volume. So write volume formula. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So you can write 15 into 10 into 20. So you can write this is 200 and this is 15. 15 2s are 30 and double 0 as it is. So this is centimeter cube. So this is your volume. Let us consider next example. In this next example, read questions carefully whenever this long form question is given. And you have to break down these questions. Savitri had to make a model of a cylindrical kaleidoscope. So here you talking about cylindrical kaleidoscope. So first of all mention here for cylindrical kaleidoscope for her science project. She wanted to use chart paper to make curved surface to the kaleidoscope. You have one chart paper, it is suppose rectangle shape and you turn this into a cylindrical shape for making a kaleidoscope. What would be the area of chart paper required by her? How much chart paper's area is required for her? So you want to find its curved surface area. If she wanted to make a kaleidoscope, length is 25 centimeters. Suppose this is your kaleidoscope. And you have to use here chart paper. And its length is given. This is its length. 25 centimeter. And we know in cylindrical shape your length is h. So you write here h. H is 25 centimeter. With its radius is 3.5. Here you getting its radius. It is given 3.5 centimeter. So first of all you have to write here for cylindrical kaleidoscope your height is equal to 25 centimeter and your radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now area of chart paper you want to find. So you can write here area of chart paper is equal to surface area of cylindrical kaleidoscope because you want to find this way. Now what is the surface area of cylinder? 2 pi r h. edge. Now puts corresponds value here is not mentioned pi value, so you can take 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 3.5 and your edge is 25. Remove this decimal point here, so this is become 35 by 10. Now 7 5s are 5 2s are 10, 2 11s are. So here 2 11s are 22 into 25. Multiply these two things. 2 5s are 10 here, 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 0, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 5, 0. 5, 5, 0, and you're talking about surface area, so its unit is centimeter square. So this much area of chart paper you needed for making a cylindrical kaleidoscope. Now let us consider one more example based on quant. Find surface area of conical cap whose height is slatting height, whose slatting height is 10 centimeter and radius is 7 centimeter. So you talking about conical cap. So you should be right here for conical cap. Slatting height, that means L given. So L is equal to 10 centimeter. Radius, that means R is equal to 7 centimeter. You want to find its surface area. So you should write surface area's formula. So surface area is equal to pi r L. Pi 22 by 7, your radius is 7, your L is 10. 7 7 cancel, so 220 centimeter square. So this is your conical cap surface area. Similarly, you can solve many examples for surface area and volumes object by this way. If you really like my channel, please share and subscribe it and like it. Thank you.